In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a circle in Elementor using WordPress. Whether you're designing a website or trying to enhance the visual elements of your pages, adding a circle can add that touch of elegance and creativity that you're aiming for. Let's dive right in. First off, you need to access your WordPress website. Head over to your website's login page. If you're not already familiar with this part, this is where you'll input your credentials to get access to your dashboard. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the WordPress dashboard. This is your control center where you can manage various aspects of your website. Now look for the Elementor tab in the dashboard menu. Elementor is the page builder that allows you to design web pages using a simple drag and drop feature. Click on this to open up the Elementor interface. This is where all the magic happens. Navigate to the Edit with Elementor button. This will allow you to make changes to your existing pages or start a new page design from scratch. It's a user-friendly space designed to make editing both efficient and enjoyable. To create a circle, first, type icon into the search bar within the Elementor panel. Icons in Elementor are versatile elements that can be used to create visually appealing graphics, including circles. However, keep in mind if you see any prompts about upgrading, that's related to additional premium features offered by Elementor. You may decide to upgrade if you find the advanced features appealing, but it's not necessary for this simple task. Once you've found the icon widget, click on it. You'll see it being added to your editing canvas. This is where you begin to customize your icon. In the search field, type circle to find the circle icon specifically. Elementor offers a wide range of stock icons, including various circle designs that you can choose from. After selecting your circle, go ahead and click on Insert. This places the icon onto your page where you can begin to adjust its size, color, and position according to your requirements. Through Elementor, adjusting these properties is straightforward. You'll find options for changing dimensions, color palettes, and even the alignment in the settings panel. Feel free to experiment until you achieve the perfect circle that fits your web page's design. And just like that, you've successfully added a circle using Elementor. This simple addition can significantly boost the aesthetic appeal of your web page. Remember, practicing these steps and exploring the rich functionalities Elementor provides will make you more comfortable and creative in building and customizing your WordPress site. Thanks for watching and happy designing.